Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and fully unplugging the Ps5. Do not hurry. Once done, remove the outer shell using the correct T8/T9 drivers, keeping screws sorted so you know every position. Clean around the CPU area with 90% plus alcohol and a lint-free cloth because adhesion matters for liquid metal. Make sure to ground yourself with an anti-static strap. This protects circuits while you access the heatsink and thermal assembly for the first liquid metal application. Once the die is clean and dry, inspect for oxidation and remove it gently. Clean metal-to-metal contact matters. Apply tiny micro drops of liquid metal from the syringe, then use a Kapton-coated applicator or tape to spread to an even 0. 2 to 0. 4 mm layer, too much causes shorts. Carefully reseat the cold plate and tighten screws in a cross pattern to specified torque, because even pressure prevents gaps. Make sure no fluid reaches the PCB. Clean any excess immediately with alcohol. After reassembly, plug in and boot the Ps5 while watching temperatures. Start with a short idle check, then run a 1-hour stress test and log numbers. If temps are stable and fan behavior is normal, you're done, otherwise power off and inspect. The primary troubleshooting tip: if you see thermal spikes or instability, shut down immediately, remove the heatsink, and look for liquid metal contamination or uneven spread. Clean affected areas with 90% plus alcohol, reapply correctly, and retest to confirm stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.